Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about gold. As I had predicted in my previous articles, that after 19th of August there will be a bearish trend in gold, and gold touched $2,005, and now it has come back to $1,930. Now this bearish trend may continue till 31st of August, and after which again it will take a bullish trend. So the predictions as far as the gold are concerned, they are proving spot on, and so are for the stock market. But stock market today, the world stock markets have again taken a bullish trend, although on 19th and 20th, the stock markets took a bearish trend until they finally take a big hit, which may be after the 20th of September and or 4th of October, and then the third date is the 16th of December. So it may, all these three dates are very crucial for the stock and the financial markets. The other thing is that after making successful predictions for the Supreme Court's verdict for the CBI inquiry, now I predict that Riya Chaudhary will be arrested very soon. At the time of the verdict, the chart is of Libra Lagna, and the seventh lord Mars is in Gandanta, and Mars will be passing through Gandanta three times because it will become retrograde. It will come back to the same position. It is in Gandanta from from 16th to 19th, and then it will again go in Gandanta from the 2nd October to 6th October, and then the third time from the 22nd of December to 26th of December. But there is Itsal of 7th Lord, the Israf between 7th Lord, 12th Lord, Moon, 10th Lord, and also the Sun, the 11th Lord. So friends, and Rahu is very close to Mars, and there will be a Poon Itsal between Mars and Rahu on the 24th. So anytime after the 24th, Riya Chaudhary can be arrested. This is my prediction. Please note this. Anytime after the 24th August, Riya Chaudhary is bound to be arrested, and the cross-questioning and maybe three times. There may be cross-questioning three times because Mars will go through Gandanta three times. So the CBI may, put her into questioning three times. So this is all I just wanted to say as per the planetary positions, and all the predictions as far as the having from rains and floods is also proving spot on. The lunation chart from the 19th August is not a good one, and as I mentioned that Mars will be in own sign, Sun will be in own sign. There will be aggressive stance by the rulers, and you can see for yourself China is on an aggressive mode, and so is US. Trump is also on an aggressive mode. So you can see for yourself after the 2nd of September, the lunation chart of 2nd September is still worse than the 19th August 2020. So this is all just I wanted to say and share my views. And as far as the financial astrology is concerned, it's the most difficult subject, as I've already mentioned. And please excuse me if my predictions go wrong as far as the financial astrology is concerned. But I'm very confident of gold, the prediction on the gold. I'm very confident that after the 31st and after the 2nd September, the gold is going to take a very bullish trend, a fast and a stronger bullish trend. So that's all. It may cross 2000 levels again. So that's all I just wanted to say and share my views, and best of luck. And as I've already mentioned that from 15th of September, all the planets will be in their own signs. But Jupiter will not be in a healthy condition because Jupiter, even being in its Mool Trikona sign, after the 13th, it will become direct. It will be in a fallen condition. So it will primarily, I will consider it to be weak. And because if it was strong, then what we are suffering due to, no prosperity, and all the people are facing troubles in their uh, professions. Maybe it is in the job, maybe it is business and all that. So if it was good, and the aspect of Jupiter on Sun and Mars, it has not helped in any case at all. But yes, the vaccine can be developed, because Mercury will go in its own sign in Virgo on the 2nd of September. This is a very good sign that the sixth lord of the natural zodiac and the yoga lord at the time of eclipse of the 26th December is going its own sign. So it's a very healthy sign that the vaccine may be developed after the 2nd September, 2nd September 2019. But it may come into effect at a later stage. And that's all I just wanted to share. And thank you for listening to me. And best of luck. And bye bye.